Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings on the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to customize or optimize your graphics, then in order to do so, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here you can click on Settings and now go into Graphics from the left menu. Now you have the resolution option with two different drop-down menus. The first one is the quality and the second one is your resolution. Make sure that the correct resolution is chosen for your screen, and then within the quality, you can first try using the highest preset if it is supported by your device. After choosing highest, go back and start enjoying your game and see how your settings feel. If you don't notice any issues, then you are good to go with this setting. Otherwise, you will need to go back, and from the graphics menu, you can once again try reducing this by one more step. Now once again follow the same pattern and see how the settings feel. By following this step, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Flash Party PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.